Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting the channel. Today it's string methods, so I'm going to create some functions and do some string methods. So the first one is going to be called string is alpha. And what this is going to do, it's going to check to see if the string contains only characters and not numbers. So first of all, we're going to create a string called myString is equal to I'm 25 years old. Okay, and a conditional, so if myString dot is alpha, then we're going to do something. Print contains only alphabet characters. Or else we're going to do next else. We've got a bit of an itchy eye here, sorry about that. Alpha, okay, print contains non-alphabet characters. Okay, so we're going to check that string for that. First of all, we're just going to call it string is alpha. So just going to call our string there. Let's save that and let's just run it. Okay, there contains non-alphabet characters because I put 25 in there. Okay, the next one that we're going to do is check for lowercase. So define check lowercase. Okay, so myString is going to be equal to hello. So we're checking for lowercase here. If myString, let's have a look, dot is lower, print string is lowercase. Whoops. Else print string isn't lowercase. Okay, so we're going to do that. Let's just call it. So check lowercase. Okay, let's run that. So there we go. String is lowercase. Okay, now we're going to check for uppercase. So create check uppercase. My string is equal to hello in uppercase. Right, conditional. So if myString dot is upper, print uppercase. Whoops. Else print lowercase. Okay, so let's call it check uppercase. Save it and call it. So let's have a look what it says. Okay, uppercase, because indeed it is uppercase. Okay, the next one that we're going to do is we're going to replace string characters or words in the string. So I'll create a function for that. Replace string, I'm going to call it. Okay, so my string here is going to equal to let's eat cake. Tell you what, let's see if I can fiddle around with the font here. Let's get it up a little bit higher. Okay, so let's eat cake. That's going to be my string dot replace. So I want to replace one of these words in the string, and I'm going to replace cake here, and I'm going to replace it with fries. Okay, so print my string. Okay, let's call it. So that's going to be replace string. Let's save that and run it. So here we go. Let's eat cake. What went wrong? Deary, 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 deary me. What went wrong here? Let's just check this out. Okay, in my haste, I forgot to assign another variable to this. So I'll assign a variable called x is equal to my string dot replace, and we'll print out the x here and see if we get a different result, which we should do. Let's save that. Let's run it. And there you go. Let's eat fries. Okay, so let's just replace that there. We're going to do split string. So create this, define split string, and that's going to be my string. It's going to be equal to hello how are you? Okay, so we're going to print my string and call the function. So the function is going to be split string. Okay, let's save it and see if it works. Hello, how are you? Okay, so we've not split the string because I didn't print dot split here. Okay, that will be better. Let's try it again. And there we go, we've split the string here. Okay, we'll just get rid of that. And now we're going to use the strip method. So this is going to trim the white spaces from the string. So we'll create the function here called strip string. Okay, so my string is equal to, we're going to create a string here, and I'm going to put some white space there going big string. So we're going to strip that away. Okay, and then we're going to print my string to highlight what it looks like. So that's going to be strip string. So we'll print that out so the user can see that, and it's like a before and after. The user can see what the string was like before, and then we'll modify the string and we'll see what it was like afterwards. So let's run this. Okay, this is before there's a big white space here, and of course we don't want that, and so we're going to print no space. I'm going to give it a little bit of a pause so it looks like it's working. So for that I'm going to have to import the time module. To do that, simply import time here. So we're going to give it a pause of 1 second, so that's going to be time.sleep. I'll give it a pause of 1 second there before it does its magic, and then this is going to be print my string dot strip. Remember to get the parentheses right on this. Okay, let's save that. Let's run the program. Okay, no space. There we go. So you can see that the white space here has been stripped off in the bottom example. Okay, let's carry on. Let's concatenate some strings or join some strings. So define join strings. So we're going to join two strings together here. There's a few ways of doing this. I'm going to show you one way here. So my string is going to be equal to this is string 1. Okay, and my string, let's call it string 1 just to make it clearer. Okay, so my string 2 is going to be equal to let's say string 2. Okay, short and sweet. I'm going to create a variable called result, and we're going to assign that to my string 1, and we're going to use the plus operator to concatenate or join these two strings together. Whoops, that's the wrong one. It's supposed to be that one. Okay, and that's going to be my string 2. Okay, that looks okay. And now we're simply going to print out the result, which should join these two strings together. Okay, so we're going to do join strings here. Let's just save that and let's just run it. Okay, there we go. We've joined the two strings together. This is string 1, string 2. Right, okay, on to the next one we shall go. So what we're going to do for the next one, we're going to find the position in a substring. So find the position of a string inside a main string. So create the function find position substring. It's a bit of a long title. I'm only doing normally I wouldn't do long titles like this. I'd keep them quite short, but I'm doing this to be very descriptive, you see. But normally I just put position substring or something like that, make it shorter. So create the string here, so my string is going to be equal to this is a short string. Okay, again create a variable called result and we'll assign it to my string dot find. So I want to find a word or a substring within that string, you see. So what word should I look for in there to see if it exists? Let's put short. So we want to know if that word exists in there. So print result. Okay, so that's going to be find position substring. Okay, let's save it and let's run it, shall we? So save and run. Okay, we found it at position 10 there, so let's have a look. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We found it at position 10. Okay. Right, okay, let's take that out there. And we're going to do a string slice here, so string slice for the last one. And this slicing is very popular in Perl. What am I talking about? In Python, it's very popular in Python. So, and it's not hard at all. Once you get the hang of it, you'll love it. So, my string is equal to this is a string. Okay, this is a string. So there's a couple of ways. Let's have a look at this. So we've got print here and my string. Okay, let's say I want to get position 0 in the string. So this is position 0 here. So I want to get position 0. I want to print it out. Okay, so string slice. Let's just save that. Let's run it. Okay, so we've got the first character here, which is T. T. Okay, so let's say print my string, and we're going to go 1. Can you guess what character it's going to return to us? Let's see. Surprise, surprise. It's a H. Okay, so let's just do the examples here so you can clearly see this as it's working. So it's going to be string 2 and print my string 3. Okay, let's save that and give it a whiz. Let's run it. Okay, so we've got the first word here, this. Okay, so let's say I want to get the end string here. How do I go about doing that? So I could print my string, and I'm going to have to give it an index position of -1 here. So it's got the index position of -1. So let's run the program. G, let's have a look. Yeah, it certainly is G. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those out there, and let's say we want to get print my string. So we want to get the index position 0, 1 to 2. So we're going to have 0 to 2, sorry, 0 to 2 here. Okay, so run, yes, 0 to 2. Okay, so it'll stop behind this one, so it goes 0, 1, and it'll stop behind this one. Let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put 5 to position 8. Okay, so let's see what that prints out. So we got this position here. Okay guys, that's just about it for the video. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you never miss another video, and I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.